I have tried a lot of different body products within the last 30 years of my life. It's been more difficult to find good body products than it has been to find effective face products. Especially when it comes to anti-aging, when it comes to fixing issues like crepiness and wrinkles and bumps and other body imperfections. And of course also, I don't want that body product to cost an arm and a leg. No pun intended. I don't mind investing in my face because I can use a single product 4, 5, 6 months at a time. But a body product, it doesn't matter how big the tub is, it could literally go in a month. And the majority of the body products, it's not only that they don't fix any of the issues that I just mentioned, but when they do, they don't fully absorb into the skin. And some products, when they fix certain issues that you really want them to fix, just sit on top of your skin. So good luck putting your clothes on immediately after, or even 30 minutes after, because once you put your clothes on, they immediately stick to your skin. And even if you find a product that absorbs very well and it sits beautiful on your skin and it's pretty, it doesn't give you much else except for hydration. Well, we want more, because just like I take care of my face, I kind of want to take care of my body as well. But yes, I have been able actually to find a few products that meet all the criteria above. Absorb very well into the skin, fix issues like crepiness and wrinkles and even spots and bumps on the skin. And finally, you don't have to mortgage your house, you can buy that product. This year, finally, the skincare industry realized that we want more from our body products as well. So some companies decided that finally they're going to put the only ingredient that fixes a variety of anti-aging issues. And the ingredient is retinol. Not a lot of skincare brands actually do that yet, but I've tried a bunch of products and I want to give you kind of the absolute best 2 or 3 body products that contain retinol. The best one is definitely by True Botanicals. This absorbs very quickly into the skin. It smells absolutely incredible. It does not smell like retinol. Which the scent of retinol, it's not a big deal when you're applying it on your face because it's just your face. But unfortunately, when you cover your whole body with retinol, and if it smells, if the scent is very pronounced, it smells like retinol, it tends to be a little bothersome. That is not the case with this product. This product smells just as good as the Cebula and the creams that True Botanicals have, and I think this is kind of their signature thing. Everything smells absolutely amazing. It smells very botanical, very clean, but at the same time refreshing and calming and soothing at the same time. This brand is actually one of my discoveries this year. I use almost everything by the brand and I love everything that I have from them. The second best body product with retinol is definitely by Paula's Choice. It doesn't smell intensely like retinol. It has a bit of a kind of a hint of retinol, but it's not disturbingly so. And the last one that I would definitely recommend is the one by Necessaire. Now, this is a 0.1%, so it's highly effective. I can't blame them for that, but unfortunately it does have a very intense scent of retinol. I have a very sensitive nose and unfortunately a lot of scents bother me and I can't stand them. I remember the first night when I applied this, because it is a retinol product, so it is advised that you only apply it at night, or whenever you apply it you don't really have exposure to the sun. So I applied it the first night and unfortunately I went to bed and I could still smell it because it was on my whole body. And eventually you actually gotta get used to the scent so it doesn't bother you anymore. Although for the amount that you get, for the effectiveness that this gives you, this is probably the best price per ounce because it is a giant bottle, so you're getting an incredibly large amount of product, and this could last you actually for a while. So it is the best deal, it is the most effective one, but yeah, unfortunately it does have a very intense scent of retinol. And if you didn't know, retinol can help you with variety of different aging issues. Not only with wrinkles, but also could help you with smoothness of the skin. It could help you with pigmentation of the skin. It definitely can help with crepiness. And if you want to fix anything on your skin or even on your face, retinol or a good retinoid is definitely a must. Now with retinol, if you've never done it, and I'm assuming that a lot of people have never done retinol or any kind of retinoids on their body, you have to be patient. If you've used it on your face, you kind of already know that it takes anywhere between 6 to 8 months that you can actually see results. But with body products, you can probably see the effectiveness of especially the glow and the smoothing of the skin a little bit faster. Quite honestly, I did see improvement of my skin within the first 2 weeks after I started using retinol. The next product I want to tell you about is actually a product that I have used the longest out of all these products, actually second longest, and it's this cream, body cream by Tatcha. Now this was actually out of stock for a very long time, probably about a year. It just came back in stock, and of course I'm gonna repurchase it because this is my favorite body cream of all time. Now it is blue, but don't worry, it's not gonna turn you into a Smurf, because when you apply it, actually it's not blue, it's translucent. Now I'm qualifying this to be the best body cream in the world technically because it's the best price, number one. Yes, I have tried the $300, $400 body creams. This is just as good, but it does give you enough hydration. It absorbs by your skin very, very, very quickly. It doesn't require a lot of rubbing or torturing yourself or beating yourself up so you can get it to absorb quickly, so when you put your clothes on they don't automatically stick to you. So it's a very comfortable cream to actually use during the day in the morning. It gives you a very hydrated, healthy glow to the skin. This is the cream that I always use if I don't want to use any oils. This is the cream that I would apply on my legs if I'm wearing a skirt, and also my shoulders, my arms, and any exposed body part, because it kind of, your skin glistens with a very healthy glow, but it's not oily or sticky. It's not there, but it's there. This is also an anti-aging cream. Now, one very important thing that this cream fixes, it's body bumps and body imperfections. You know how sometimes you get these bumps on the back of your arms, or some people actually get them on their thighs as well, and etc. These bumps are actually called keratosis pilaris. And yes, I've tried other products that are designated for that, but they're not pleasant. They help, but they're not pleasant. And here's the thing with this cream, it removes them completely. I did have that issue a number of years ago when I started using this cream, probably 7 or so years ago when I first bought it. And when I started applying this cream, the keratosis pilaris actually went away in about a week. And I didn't even buy this cream for that purpose. I was just trying on a bunch of body products because I was looking for a good cream. This is also an anti-aging cream, so it will help you a little bit with crepiness. It will help with smoothing of the skin, with pigment, spots on your skin, just overall different imperfections. I know it's winter now, so it doesn't really matter, but this also helps with sunburn. I take this cream on every vacation when I go to a beach, and I also live on the beach. Once again, overall, this is my favorite body product of all time, and I have been using it for the last 7-8 years. And it's finally back in stock. And there cannot be a body skincare video without talking about Biologique Recharge, because yes, they do make some fantastic body products. This is my new favorite thing. I think I've been using this bottle for about a year, I would say. I had another favorite by Biologique Recharge before. This is my new favorite because it just smells better. This is a true anti-aging oil. You can also use it on your hair. I never do because I prefer it on I have separate hair products for my hair, but you can. In a pinch, you can definitely use it for your hair. It's a very nice, not too oily consistency. It actually sinks into your skin very quickly for an oil especially. It smells very pleasant, botanical, but also a little bit like a flower garden. It's not very intense though, and you can definitely apply it in the morning or you can apply it at night. This is how I survived going through, this is the first retinol, the one by Necessaire. This is the first retinol product that I ever tried. And because the scent, as I mentioned, of retinol was so intense, I combined those two every night. This is a regenerating anti-aging and this is retinol. The combination was actually perfection because the scent of this would mask this product. So, and also the combination of an anti-aging regenerating oil and retinol is just actually probably the most perfect combination that you can do for your skin. But going back to the Biologique Recharge product, this is regenerating, it's soothing to the skin. Again, you can wear it in the morning, you can wear it at night, you can apply it any time of the day. It gives you a glow, but not an oily, sticky, sliding kind of a glow. I always hated it when I would buy a new oil or any kind of body product, and then I would go to the office, and when I put my elbows onto my desk, I would kind of slide around and I would leave a trail behind my elbows from the oil or the body product. I absolutely hated that. I have tried for the last 10 years to find a product that does not do that. And none of these do, by the way. Now, sometimes if I'm going out, I'm going to a dinner and I want to kind of have the sparkle a little bit. I want to have very kind of sparkly, beautiful legs or shoulders. I would actually combine these two. This is the Tom Ford oil. This actually comes in 3 different kind of scents and 3 different combinations. This is my favorite one. This is the Soleil Blanc. I love it the most. Sometimes, unfortunately, especially now during the winter, it tends to be a little, I don't want to say drying, but not enough hydration. In the summer is perfect, but during the winter it's not enough hydration, so I combine these two. So I have the hydration and the anti-aging effect from this, and then I have the beautiful glistening kind of sparkly glow from the oil. And yes, this is a dry oil. I don't know if you've ever tried this product. It's been on the market for a while. I love this. I keep on going back to this. Yes, I have tried other variations. I've tried the one from Chanel. I've tried a few other ones and I don't like them as much as this. And if I want a very, very fast oil that absorbs just really quickly because it's watery, and it's also a dry oil, but it's also kind of watery and hydrating at the same time, this one. This is actually the least expensive product, and you can kind of see that it's very watery instead of being an oil. This is a beautiful product. It has no scent. This is the benefit to this, in addition to being an oil that hydrates you. It's not sticky, it doesn't stay on your skin, but it kind of softens your skin in a very beautiful way, but it's not scented. Very rarely you can find a good oil or a body product that is absorbed very quickly into the skin, does something, softens your skin, makes your skin beautiful, but it's also unscented. Because these are usually products that you apply in the morning, and unfortunately an oil would probably clash with your perfume or your body wash or your hair products, whatever else you're using. I have the perfume equivalent of this and I love wearing them together because nothing contradicts, so it's beautiful that way. Now the scent of this is not too strong obviously, and it's very nice, but this is unscented. And it's also not expensive. I think for the price, this is a gorgeous product that gets the job done. And these are my favorite products for the body. Products that actually are easy to apply, get absorbed by your skin very quickly, and most importantly, they're effective when it comes to anti-aging. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.